Hi, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today let's make some flood consistency royal icing. I'm using a variation of Sweet Hope's recipe, and I'll leave the recipe in the description. So start by pouring your meringue powder into the mixing bowl along with some warm water, and using the paddle attachment on your mixer, whip it at high speed until it doubles in size. Then add your vanilla and your lemon juice, and mix again until just incorporated. And then I pour in about half of my powdered sugar and mix it just until it's incorporated. Then I'll add my corn syrup and my glycerin and pour in the rest of the powdered sugar. And mix again on low speed until the icing is fully incorporated. This video is sped up, but I am mixing it on a low speed. And don't forget to scrape the bowl as needed. And add a good dollop of the white gel food color and continue mixing on low speed until the icing is completely mixed. This might take several minutes. And your icing is done when you have soft peaks that fold over and will not hold their shape when you pull the mixing blade out of the mixer. It's not quite runny. We might need to thin it down a little bit more to pipe with for flooding, but this is where you want to start before you add the food color. If your icing is stiffer than this, add a little bit more water and mix again. Let's look at this some more with the spatula. So your icing is thin, it's folding over, it's not holding its shape when you pull it out of the mixing bowl. It's a soft peak for sure, and if you wiggled this, you could make it settle down. And this is the icing we want before we mix our flood consistency colors. If you have any questions, leave me a note in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have new cookie tutorials every week. Bye.